Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Groundhog's Garage. My name is Jim. Thank you for joining me today. Funny story, I'm recording this because I forgot to hit record when I started this little session the other day, and so I come out to record it again just as an introduction, and I forgot to hit record again. So this is my third try at the introduction for this episode. But anyway, so what I'm doing in this video is I'm testing two different kinds of paint removers. On the left hand side I've got this orange gel. It's a citrus paint remover. It's not quite as toxic. And on the right hand side I've got the industrial strength, and I forget what the name brand is, but it's got more fumes to it, and it works a lot quicker too. So I hope you enjoy the episode. We'll just keep chiseling away at this, you know, like the little bite out of the elephant every day. And but things are moving along. I'm excited, encouraged, and thank you for joining me. And if you have any comments or suggestions, just put them down below, and I hope to hear from you, because any advice I can get I'll take, and enjoy what's going on. Back the car out in the driveway a little bit more so the lighting was better, but it looks like now I'm going to sneeze. Grass cutting, man, get you every time. You can see the side with the orange is starting to peel the paint up a little bit. Let's get the little scraper here. Let's see how we're doing. So it is softening up the paint. Still not up to the what the other side's done, but it looks like it's still working. So we'll put a little bit more on there, but yeah, we're coming along. This side it doesn't dry as fast, it doesn't seem to, but we'll put another coat over here. And in fact, I think what I'm going to do is take the plastic out from underneath the hood scoops and put a piece of cardboard under there, and I can get closer to the edge without having to worry about ruining the plastic. So I had wondered if this had been a part before and been painted, and obviously I think this has been a repaint. But I know some of you guys have also posted about putting these hood scoops in your car and what it would take, and the bracing and all that kind of stuff. So here's a good look at what the bracing looks like. I mean, it looks like the coal is just cut through the perimeter of the hood. It looks like there's nothing special there. And then there's some bracing. There's even a part number on there. I don't know if you can see it or not. 490089, and it says RH inner. So there's looks like 6 screws on each one, and there was even a little bit of quite the washer there for whatever reason, and we'll get those out. Hopefully that helps some of you that want to cut one of these into your hood, because it does look like they just cut right through the bracing here, nothing special. And just put these two let's see what's on the back here. Anything? Yeah. So hopefully that helps you. Oh, I guess you don't have to take the back out. All the back two do is hold this thing here in. Nice. It's getting there. I think I'm at a spot where I'm going to stop today, maybe, because now I'd like to take the hood off. I got the bulk of it done, and I can start working on the perimeter. I got some goo on the fenders and stuff, but that's no big deal because they're going to need painted too. And once I get the hood on a body stand, I can do the grill, that grill area there, and take the trim off and get down into the crevices and stuff, like along here too. So if you got any tips or tricks you can send, put them down in the comments below. Look forward to hearing what advice you might have for me. Good or bad. So I'm at a spot I'm going to stop now. That goo that's on there is going to have to dry. I can't sand it like that. And I'd like to take the hood off and put it on a fender stand or whatever you want to call that, and get around the perimeter then, and I can take that trim up along the windshield and get into that grate, and so I don't drip it into the plastic that goes where the cowl is. So I'm going to stop here. And any comments or suggestions, put them down below. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow.